What's up, guys? We're here back with another video. My name is Keela, and today we're going to be trying the Toxic Wake Slime Liquor. Let's get to it. So, take the lid off. Ooh, I think it snapped. Look, I think it snapped. Oh yeah, that snapped. Oh. Let's try it. 3, 2, 1. This is honestly a have to get. I think it's a 10 out of 10. You should get this. Subscribe for more.